Hello, I'm Duncan from Warnock County. Today I'm going to show you how to record a contractor payment in QuickBooks Online. It's important when dealing with contractors to confirm and identify their ABN prior to making payment to them. If you don't identify the ABN, now typically you have to withhold from that payment to them an amount of money equal to the top marginal rate of tax. Let's begin. We're going to go into QuickBooks Online here. We'll navigate to transactions, then bank transactions, and find the spend money transaction that we've paid to the contractor. We've found it. It's for $330 and it's been made to Profit Machine. Although I think we've previously validated the ABN, we're just going to do a double check here by going to ABN lookup and entering the supplier name. We've found the supplier, Profit Machine. We are looking at their details, both current and historical, and checking information as to their GST registration status and whether the ABN is still active or not, and whether there's been relevant changes in the past. Let's go back to QuickBooks now. We'll enter the supplier name. We will enter the GL account category. As we haven't used the supplier before, QuickBooks is prompting us to save the new supplier contact details. We can enter info like address, contact phone numbers as required, either right now or in the future. What I like to do is record the ABN against the supplier. Within the supplier contact details, we can also click on the lookup ABN link. We'll just show you that now. Return to QuickBooks, we select the relevant tax code. The supplier is not GST registered and has not charged GST. We'll record GST free purchases. In this example, our business is a GST registered business. We'll now update some extra info in the memo transaction details section of the transaction. We'll record the ABN and record any other tips and tricks and notes that are helpful for us. Let's click Add. That is the transaction now saved. We'll now run a profit and loss report for the time period that the transaction we just recorded was for. We can now see the expense category for which the transaction was recorded against. We drill down to display the transaction and click again to display all the details of the transaction that we've recorded. We're happy with everything, but we do want to also add the ABN number in the reference number field, as that is often helpful when running QuickBooks reports. for time periods such as the last quarter or the last financial year. Let's click Save. And we've completed the recording of that transaction to the supplier.